Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make GitHub repository private. So if you own the repository or have admin permissions, you can make a GitHub repository private. So open your repository on GitHub. So once you're here, click the settings tab at the top. So once you're on settings, scroll down to danger zone. So it's at the bottom. So once you're on danger zone, so look for change repository visibility, and under that, click change visibility beside it. Then select change to private or make private. So click that and select I want to make this repository private. So click that and click I have read and understand these effects, and click make this repository private to confirm the action. And that's it. So take note that only the repository owner or an administrator can change its visibility. So existing collaborators will still have access after the repository becomes private. The repository's URL remains the same, but anyone without permission will no longer be able to view it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.